Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav on this BMW i3 from any screen, from any button into nav, and then you see the screen there. If you click the selector over twice and wind it up to destination input, there we go. So I'll put us in again. We are Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Walton-le-Dale, Preston, PR. Now if we turn this round to further characters, the numbers, so PR5, 4, and then it defaults back to letters, J, S, and then click for OK in the middle. Turn the selector down to start guidance.
In 200 yards, you will have reached your destination.
That's that. We sat on the fork up. So that's how to do that.